Alright, let's try for another go with this guy. We are half flaps. And a lot of vibrations on the ground. I'm going to be clearing grass out of the EDF for sure. Okay.
Andy,
Hello?
I'm not going to do anything impressive. I'm just going to try and track you as you take off.
Okay.
I won't be able to do it because it's not quick enough, but...
Okay, going for a takeoff now. Gear up. I'll slow down a bit for you. Flaps up. Gear should be up.
I'm just going to sit in the middle of the pitch and film you coming by underneath me.
Okay. Underneath you.
Yeah.
I'll try. Oh yeah, I saw you.
Yeah, you're about half underneath me, half high.
I see you. Oh, she rolls nicely. A little bit of a wobble on the roll. Phil's on the patch, okay.
Now you're about the same height, I think.
Just stick the flaps down, try and slow it down a bit. There's me lights. Oh, I've got a bit of brake up there. I need to be careful with that.
What's it like, Andy?
It's just super, Phil. Just super. Even the landing sort of.
Did you see my crash?
I did, yeah. I tracked you, yes. What a shame. Gutted, mate. There's people over there, isn't there? People are...
We was way off then. So did you land FPV?
Yeah, landed
Good.
FP. Yeah.
Cool.
Well, I think it felt a bit rough, but it feels rough anyways. Low pass.
I imagine it was just the shock going through it. It was, to me, it looked fine, the landing.
Yeah, it looked as like clean as it does when I put that 360 camera on. So yeah, it's fun, man. It's fun having the voltage through the screen, Phil.
You figured all that out recently?
About an hour ago.
So what's your flight time so far on that pack?
I don't know. It doesn't. That's the one thing, because I've not set it up to ARM. I've only got the telemetry coming through. I don't know the flight time, but I've also got the beeper in as well. But 22.9 volts, just cruising around, you know, like you do for FPV.
Difference is though, you're in a jet, which is...
It's brilliant, yeah. My cockpit's not as impressive as yours.
I like mine, but I tell you what, it gets in the way.
Yeah, that was what I was wondering, whether it will get in the way.
It's not realistic, that's the thing.
That's it, yeah.
You did put pit on the end of that word, didn't you?
You are?
Andy,
What's that?
you did say cockpit, not cock.
Yeah, I did say cockpit.
Them nav lights shot real well. Can you see them?
I can actually see those
Yeah,
in the
okay,
goggles,
yeah.
yeah.
Cool. I think I'm going to get an FMS walk, Andy.
Haha, they are good.
Might last a bit longer.
This is an air unit as well. It's flying well with an air unit. You could probably pick up the audience, what it looks like, Phil, in your... Have you taken the goggles back?
No, they're still here.
Have a look if you want, what my view's like. I'm going to have to land now, mind. Oh, no, I'm not. 22 volts. I'm on channel 5, what you were on.
I was on 6.
Well, it'll say which one I'm on. Christ, the land doesn't half disappear below you. I'll stick the flaps on, I'll get more time out of it. While you have a look, Phil. Even does a roll with the flaps. Hello? Yeah. I've got a secondary voltage checker on it.
How do I get audience mode, Andy?
Player, where it says player.
Yeah.
Sorry, or does it say audience? It's one of those two.
Well, where it says audience, that's highlighted. I'm trying to select it. It says player channel 5.
Yeah, select me. Should get me.
No.
Give it a sec. Not, well, audience then, not player. I think player is...
Yeah, it says audience, then in channel 5. It says player in, but I can't get anything.
Should get me.
You on? Oh.
I'm on 25 meg. 25.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll come in for a landing because I got to, and we'll do another one before it goes dark. That's confident, isn't it? It's making out that I'm going to actually do the landing. Can someone...
What do you want, Andy?
I was going to say, can someone check that all the gear has come down for me? I can see the bottom to it. I just can't see my front. I need a light for that, don't I? Just check to see if my front's come down.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Okay, I'll try go for a landing. Okay, that's full flap down. Feels a little bit fast. Can hear my beeper going though, so.
Fine, the approach is good. It's good. Flare, hold it, flare. Nice, good. Rainy there.
My front light, it's that dark, my front light's lighting the grass up now.